What's up, everybody? Today's Asian session and New York session today. Gold strategy worked out very nice. There's a couple of things I left out on the video that I posted yesterday on the initial strategy. By the way, go into the comment section. I added detail. I outlined the strategy, but I want to talk about it. I forgot about some things I meant to share. And let's look at how it panned out today. Get on the charts, baby. All right, so here we got last night's Asian session for gold MGC continuous contract. Um, at 1900 marked out. Here's the first inefficiency after 1900. Now you can see by this daily chart we're bullish, and you can see I graded the wick here. Graded the wick. Also, I was just kind of looking around on the other time frames. Got an order block here on the 1 hour chart. Got it marked. 1 minute. Anyway, beautiful. So market opens up with an inefficiency. You mark it, drag it across to Friday. Then we're bullish narrative. Got a bullish point of interest, and it's in line with this consequent encroachment, yesterday's wick. All right, so we popped above it, went back into it, popped above it. Now, sometimes if you're trading order blocks, you need to let the impulse leg happen and pull back. Now, I mean, you could get in like once this closes, but you know, sometimes we need to let the market prove to us that it's going to do what we have anticipated doing. So I got mine set to 3R, 2R. I like 2R, 2.5R for Asia. But if your market conditions are bullish, you see this is a 2R. This is probably going to be 2.53. I mean, you got well enough just aiming for the 50% mark of yesterday's pick. You got 4R, 4.5 if you were to trade it to that. I mean, and if you're just greedy, you would have got more. Okay, so fairly simple for Asia. Also, so yesterday I forgot to really add. So you want those higher time frame point of interest, especially in New York. But I'm a daily chart guy, and I will look around at the other ones. So I'm not religious. Yeah, older with the higher time frames. The other ones besides the daily chart and the weekly chart. I'm a real big daily chart fan. So all right. So there's yesterday's Asia, and this impulse happened during the macro. Now, also, I wanted to point out if you missed this, or if you got in right here, cool. That's the best entry. It is a good entry. I like it I like a little bit more confirmation. Just pop above into it, holding it. Body's respecting the midpoint of this inefficiency. Also, if you miss it, you got a secondary entry right here on this order block. If you trade order blocks right here, and then you also got what ICT has just released, a suspension block. Confluence right there. That's a killer. That's a killer entry. And you know when the market's about to do its thing because it pops above it, holds the order block, pops above it, comes down, holds these down closed candles up in here. Probably a order block on at least a 2 minute, maybe the 5 minute time frame. Off to the races. All right, let's check out New York. Now, New York, I didn't think it was going to sell off like it did today, but I mean, so this would have been more of a type B entry. You're using it as an entry, trading it to a higher time frame point of interest, trading it, trying to align yourself with the higher time frame trend. Here's a point A, type A, trading to it. So, killer move. I was actually long in here today and got stopped out right up in here. This wick stopped me out, but Now I was trading more of a. I mean, we're this close to all-time highs. So I was trading more of a trend idea, completely traded out of the strategy. But if I would have stuck to strategy, I mean, like everybody preaches, you know what? I mean, it would have printed. Look at that, very nice, very nice. Um, so got type A, and we got another, and the market's still open, but nothing I'm really interested in after this. I mean, the action is kind of lethargic, but you can see how it plays around this inefficiency. And I mean, very nice. So anyway, that's today. That's an update today. I wanted to post this video showcasing the very next day after I posted that strategy yesterday. I didn't really talk about the higher time frames much. So anyways, so here's your order block right here. Pops up above this high, close this below this opening price. A little bit aggressive for me, but when the market starts coming down here, this opening price, I mean, that wasn't stopped you out. Yeah, so there's a 5-point stop. Even if you would have put it at highs, that's a three-point stop. That ain't bad. I use a 5-point stop. There's your 3R, 4.7R. If you would use that as your entry, I mean, but holding it up in here would have been a little tough. I get it. So even if you would have traded this, or well, you didn't really get a retest of this. Let's say you got in right here. Still got 3.9R. I mean, it's basically 4R. I mean, you can hold it for 4, but yeah. So strategy works. So it's just a matter of studying it, marking your charts, screenshotting it. But yeah, I like to mark and annotate my charts. Just type in what you see, type in the conditions. Um, you know, do that. I mean, I went through a time, so I work nights. I work rotating shift at my job, and at nights I have a lot of time. So man, I went through a stage where I'll put weeks. I mean, like we're talking about 4-6 hours a night, just going back, annotating my charts, and it's laborious, but it really produces good fruit. So, anyways, I hope this was helpful. Sorry if I left some of that out yesterday, and if you got any questions, just comment. And I'm gonna try to be watching for my community post. I'm gonna try to post screenshots too. I mean, I can't always get a video out, but I'm gonna try to post screenshot as the week progresses, and maybe Wednesday I'll try to post another video. Anyway, be safe. Merry Christmas.